Welcome once again. As you know, this week we begin the observance of the holy season of Lent. And as I was doing some thinking in preparation for Lent, I recalled a memory from my childhood, my grade school days. Every year during Lent, we were given a Lenten mite box in which we were to donate our pennies and our nickels and our dimes for the poor. And I do remember that I was not very good at keeping my other Lenten resolutions about not drinking soda or not eating candy or not tormenting my brothers and sisters. Wasn't very good at those. I was better at putting something into the mite box, even though as a kid, I was pretty much of a tightwad. I was cheap. Still, I got into the habit of putting something into the mite box on a regular basis. And so there were a lot of things about our childhood Catholicism that were not very helpful to us. Um, but this isn't one of them. One of the reasons why I have good memories of the mite box is because it taught me to think about other people. It taught me to think about people in need during the season of Lent. It taught me to think about someone other than myself. I hope that I've internalized that lesson through the years, and I hope that now I try to keep my focus on the needs of others as much as or more than my own needs. And so, um, as we prepare for this holy season of Lent, I ask us to think about what we might be able to do for not just for ourselves, but for someone else during this season.